Meaning of DST.
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 DST. DST stands for Daylight Saving Time, which is the practice of advancing clocks by 1 hour during summer months in order to extend evening daylight and conserve energy. This adjustment is typically made on the second Sunday in March and ends on the first Sunday in November in the United States. The result of DST is a temporary change in the time of day that sunlight and darkness occur, with more daylight in the evening and less in the morning. It has been a controversial topic with both advantages and disadvantages debated by many experts.